Good day, Mrs. Eden Christie. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. I'm Eden Christie Sampilo, 27 years old. I graduated in Bachelor of Science Industrial Technology. I'm a single parent. I have 2 kids, 4 years old and 2 years old. I've been working before in Malaysia for 2 years as DH. My work and responsibilities there is to take care of elderly person, do the general cleaning, and help cooking in kitchen.
How do you overcome your homesickness?
I overcome my homesickness is to make myself busy and do my work properly.
If you committed mistake in your employer, what will you do?
Ma'am, sir, if I do a mistake, I will apologize immediately and say sorry.
If you are hired day or day off, what will you do before you go out from your employer's house?
Ma'am, sir, before I leave, I make sure that the house is clean, and before I leave, I ask permission to my employer.
What if the mother of your employer doesn't speak English? How did you communicate with them?
Ma'am, sir, I do a sign language or action language, and I want to learn also a Cantonese or Chinese language.
You have last message to your future employer. Can you tell them now?
Ma'am, sir, hope you choose me because I promise that I do my best. I'm a hardworking, long patient, and fast learner. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Eden Christie. I hope to see you soon in Hong Kong.
Welcome.